Hi, welcome to my channel. This video is part of a set of videos which I am doing on Angular. You can check my previous video regarding the introduction and how to set up an Angular project. The link is given in the description. Before moving on, do check out my YouTube channel Vemara Hub, which contains various technical topics ranging from Java, AWS, and various database technologies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in my first video, I had showed you how to set up the project and how app.component.html is the page which loads as the first page. Now let us see how to add components to my Angular project. Components are the most basic UI building blocks of an Angular app. To add a new component, you can use the command ngg component and the component name. So for example, for this app, I am going to create a new component, dashboard. So let me create another component, about. You can see inside your app folder, two new folders, about and dashboard has been created. The folder contains 4 files. First is an HTML file which contains the HTML content for your component. Then is the SCSS file which contains the style sheet. Then we have the component.ts file which defines the selector, template URL and style URL for your component. And we have the specs.ts which defines the specifications. For each component you create using the ngg component command, the declaration and import of that particular component will be automatically added by Angular on that particular root module. So you can see in app module.ts we already have dashboard and about component imported and the declarations have been defined. Now to access the different components which you have created from your app component.html, you can create a hyperlink and provide a router link to that particular component. So for example, I'll create a router link to dashboard and the name for the link is dashboard. And let me create another router link about. To make this router link work, we have to add routing in the app routing module.ts and we have to provide the routes for each of the component. That is, I can add the route by defining path as say for dashboard. I have to go to the component dashboard.component, and similarly about, I am telling my app routing module.ts to route to about component. So what will happen is when we click this hyperlink, this router link dashboard will search in app routing module.ts for the path and will search for that particular component. And in my app module.ts, I have declared the dashboard and about component and have provided the path for the component. And the control will go to that particular component and will check for the template URL which has to be loaded on selecting that particular router path. Dashboard component.html. So let me just add something else to it. To display that particular component inside my app component.html, I'll be using the tag router outlet. So what router outlet does is, it works as a placeholder which will load the different components dynamically on the basis of currently activated component. So what will happen is when we navigate to that particular router link, this router outlet will be replaced by that particular component which we have activated. Now let us start our server using ngserve and check our components are getting loaded in the app component.html. So the compilation is successful, and when we load our localhost 4200, you can see the hyperlinks dashboard and about has been created, and this is the content of my app component.html. Now when I click on the hyperlink dashboard, you can see the URL has changed to dashboard, and that particular component dashboard works has been loaded in place of the router outlet which we had given. When we click on the about hyperlink, you can see the about works HTML has been loaded. So this is how dynamically we can load different components on the same page and activate them through navigation. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use Bootstrap in your Angular application to beautify your UI. I hope this information was helpful to you. Thank you for watching my video.